Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. I'd like to unleash back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And this morning's video, we'll be giving you guys a quick tour of the remaining banana plants back here in our food forest. We're also going to be bringing you guys along for a taste test of the bananas that we harvested from one of our banana plants back here recently in our food forest. This is our most developed bunch of bananas here in our backyard food forest. This is our third to flower banana plant. We have a total of about 30 banana plants back here in our food forest back here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Again, this is our most well-developed bunch. We just harvested a bunch of bananas here about a week and a half ago from this stand of banana plants here. As you guys can see, we've already come out here and cut down that banana plant that flowered for us. It was a huge, about 15-foot giant Cavendish banana plant, like the ones we have here on this tree. All of our banana plants are giant Cavendish banana plants. At any rate, this is our third stand of bananas over here. All of our bananas in these stands, banana plants in these stands are about the same age. We planted all of these back here at the same time last year around late February. I have a few on this banana plant here, only 4 on this one. This is actually Lead Farmer 73. This is our oldest banana plant. We had this thing planted in full shade for about 2 years before we moved it back into our backyard food forest. We had to whack it way back. This is our oldest and tallest banana plant. It had a rough time coming back out of dormancy once we transplanted it here, but it did its thing. We have 4 large bananas going on there. We're blessed and thankful to have those on that plant. This is one of our recently planted banana plants here on Harvest Hill, going along this circle here. Small guy, but beautiful nonetheless. This is our 4th to flower banana plant stand. Bananas here down at Little Creek Homestead. We have about 5 or 6 bananas on this plant, I think. Again, all these stands of banana plants are about the same age. Can you guys see that crab spider nest right there, that web? Not sure if you can see it or not, but it's right there in the center. You barely can see that, guys. You can see it at all right there in my camera. I'm gonna walk you guys over to our next banana plant here. This is one we planted earlier this year. It's not one of the last year's banana plants here. It's also down here at Little Creek Homestead. As you can see that sign right there in the background. Next up here at Bumblebee Junction, where we're growing Better Boy tomatoes, some elephant garlic, and some Beauregard sweet potatoes back there in the background. This is our next banana plant. Currently about 6.5 feet tall right now. Next up here at the Red Shed, we have another banana plant here. Again, all of our banana plants, stands of banana plants back here in our food forest are about the same age. We planted all of these back here at the same time, although some of our plants are larger than the others. This is one of our most recently planted banana plants here. Another one on the other side of the driveway here. This one's in full sun. One on the other side of the driveway is in mostly shade, and although they're the same age, as you can see, planting a banana plant in shade versus planting one in the sun makes a huge difference. So our next stand with banana plants, we had to actually whack this one all the way down to the ground before it actually came back out of dormancy. This banana plant here was originally planted there where that sage plant is, right there by that white pole there. We transplanted it here last year sometime, and this is what it's currently looking like. This is our last stand of bananas here in our backyard food forest. As you guys can see, we have this one propped up, and there's a reason behind that. This thing grew wide at the base, very thin here in the middle where we have it propped up, and then wide at the top up here, prior to putting on these 5, 6, 7, 8 bananas that is currently popped out here. But at any rate, the main purpose of this video, Green Thumb Gardening family, is to again show you guys how easy it is to grow bananas, and show you guys that indeed you can grow bananas at your own house, in your own yard, in a large container. If you just can't plant them in the ground, I highly recommend you plant them in the ground, but bananas can be indeed grown in large containers as well. A couple more of our banana plants here. I'm bringing you guys along with me around to our front porch to show you guys what some of the bananas that we recently harvested from our food forest are currently looking like. And we're going to taste one of these bananas this morning because I have a feeling that these bananas are sweet and delicious. Bam! Can you guys see that? How gorgeous are these bananas? 100% organically grown in our backyard food forest, and we can't be more excited, possibly be more excited than what we are right now. One thing that we will do during our next harvest is we won't harvest the entire stalk. You know, we can't always go out to our banana plants, whack off, you know, a bunch of bananas like this and allow them to ripen, as opposed to harvesting our entire stalk of bananas, because they will indeed ripen at about the same time and at about the same rate. Another thing to remember when you're harvesting bananas is that leaving them on the stalk will extend the amount of time that you have before your bananas completely ripen or whatever. We removed these from the stalk because we only intended to keep, you know, 1 or 2 bunches of these bananas for ourselves, and we intended to give the rest of them away to people in our community. So these are the 2 bunches that we kept for ourselves. We actually kept this one for ourselves. We're going to give this bunch to my neighbor next door with Mr. Lawrence and his wife Annette. They are so generous to us. They have been generous to us for the past 7 years and continue to show us their generosity here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel every year. But at any rate, Green Thumb Gardening family, I'm going to get my camera here on my tripod if I can and try to get you guys in the frame as much as possible while I remove one of these bananas from this bunch. Let me choose this one right here. I'm going to peel this banana for you guys. I'm going to taste this banana. I already know that they're sweet because we grew these bananas. These are no chemically grown bananas. There was no wax on these bananas to keep them from ripening during shipping or any of that crap. There's no GMOs or anything in these bananas. These are 100% organically grown bananas grown by us right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. I'm going to go ahead and peel one of these guys for you guys. You guys see that? Whew. Organically grown bananas grown by us right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Don't that look delicious? Let me taste this for you guys right now. Oh my God. Boy, listen. Green Thumb Gardening family, grow your own produce. This banana is downright delicious in every way. I've never ever bought a banana from the store, fruit stand, produce stand, anywhere that tastes like these bananas. Grow your own food, Green Thumb Gardening family. Bananas are delicious when you grow them yourself in your yard without all of that chemical fertilizer. Grow them organically. It can be done. It took us about 18 months to grow these particular bananas, from the time we planted our plant until the time the plant flowered until the time we harvested our bananas. Total grow time of about 18 months. Again, our Cavendish bananas, organically grown right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. And oh my God, they are downright delicious in every way. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, tasting bananas from our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching.